So we have seen so far two methods of this study on the basis of repertory. When we are directly using the repertory for that specific objective. Another is we are not using the repertory for study of materia medica. We are using the repertory for the purpose of repertorization, and in during that repertorization, we come to know something about unknown aspects of homeopathic materia medica, and that indirect use also enriches ourselves. And then the third methodology, that there are special books. There are special books which has mentioning, I have mentioned the name. There are certain special books who have been only written with this specific aspect of studying the comparative materia medica. That one book is Dr. and Kucklenberg. Now, what this person has, they have created a special book on this format, and in which they have attempted. For example, in repertory, there is one symptom, ailments from disappointment of love, and there are 10 remedies are given. Natrum, ignitia, phosphoric acid, antin, chlorocausticum, hyoscyamus, etc. And in that book, what they have done, they have tried to differentiate. They have tried to differentiate these 10 medicines with respect to that symptom of ailments from disappointment of love. Then, and this book has completed this comparative study of medicines with respect to the mind symptoms and with respect to the physical general symptoms. And accordingly, the objective of this special book is to only study materia medica through repertory. That means, and accordingly, they have compiled that book. It is a very famous book, comparative repertory to the changed homeopathic materia medica by Dr. and Kucklenberg, and so many physicians have learned the differentiations of mental symptoms with the help of this book. And then there is one more method that directly few of the well-known books of materia medica, they are converted into the special repertory only with that objective of once that book will be indexed properly, once that book of materia medica is indexed properly, it will be very easy to study that homeopathic materia medica. And one example I have given you of Kelvin Brobst-Nair, who has just converted this repertory, this converted hearing guiding symptom of our materia medica 10 volumes into one single volume, and that when we refer to that repertory, we are indirectly referring to those 10 volumes of hearing guiding symptom of our materia medica. And in that hearing guiding symptom of our materia medica, if you want to find out restlessness, how many remedies are there, it will take weeks together to turn the pages of those 10 volumes. But if you refer to the nearest repertory and you locate that symptom restlessness in that repertory, within minutes you will come to know that how many remedies in hearing guiding symptom of our materia medica are having the symptom of restless. And that's why it is said that repertory is a homeopathic materia medica available at our finger repertory. And with this special objective, there are few repertories are evolved, few repertories are created. Now I will give you the example and I will again explain you. So we'll see the examples of this method. One example of the fourth methodology, Kent's Comparative Repertory of Homeopathic Mater Medica by Dr. Dox and Dr. Kucklenberg. Then a repertory based on Allen's keynote and Nash's leader. Now these two books, Allen's keynote and Therapeutics of Homeopathic Mater Medica by Dr. E.B. Nash, these are the two popular books for those lovers of Homeopathic Mater Medica, because these books are from keynote type of Mater Medica, and these books have helped generations of homeopathic physicians for prescribing accurately the homeopathic medicine. And this person, like Captain K.K. Sarkar, found has taken keen interest in converting these two books of Mater Medica into repertory, so that these two Mater Medicas will be assessed within a very speedy and accurate manner. And that is the third methodology of this study on the rest of repertory, that Mater Medica is just converted into the repertory which you want to study in the detail. And accordingly, Captain K.K. Sarkar has converted books of Mater Medica like Allen's keynote and Nash leaders into the form of repertory to facilitate the study of these two books of Mater Medica. Then there is one more, Dr. R. Sangar, who has also made attempt in the same direction of making this Allen's keynote more and more accessible, more and more practical. Has converted this Allen's keynote in the form of repertory, so that one can study that Allen's keynote through that specific repertory. We have taken this example, repertory of healing riding symptom of Mater Medica. Then these two books written by J.H. Clark. One is The Prescriber, a Dictionary of New Therapeutics by J.H. Clark, and another, a Clinical Repertory to Dictionary of Mater Medica. Now, in the clinical Mater Medica type of study of homeopathic Mater Medica, we have studied. These books are very, very much popular. Dictionary of Mater Medica by Dr. J.H. Clark. And to study this Mater Medica thoroughly, to make this Mater Medica applicable, this author has also converted this Mater Medica into its forms of two repertory. And these two repertories are nothing but an attempt to study the specific books of Mater Medica through the repertory. So remember, there are four methodologies of studying on the use of repertory: direct use of repertory, indirect use of repertory, and whatever examples I have taken is mainly belonging to this repertory of the Mater Medica, available at our fingertips, like Nate's repertory, Sarkar's repertory, Sangar repertory, J.H. Clark, two repertories that belong to this methodology, that Mater Medica is directly converted into repertory. And the special methodology example is of Dr. Dox and Kucklenberg work on the mind chapter and generative chapter. Then we will study what are the merits and demerits of this method. Merit is, it is more unprejudice because it is overcoming the drawback of bias of that specific author. Then this work has repertory is constructed from multiple sources. The study, especially from the direct use and indirect use of repertory, becoming more foolproof study from the multiple sources. Then it is an accurate study because there are very less chances of error, as these repertories are more systematically arranged. Homeopathic Mater Medica becomes more and more applicable, and that is the ultimate aim of Homeopathic Mater Medica. So there is no harm in using the repertory for the study of Homeopathic Mater Medica. Then it facilitates the comparative study, because every symptom, every organ, you can do the comparison. You can find out similarity between two drugs and dissimilarity between two many types of study of homeopathic. Materia medica, even type of method of materia medica, clinical materia medica is based upon this repertory. And most importantly, the group study method of repertory is based mainly on this study of materia medica on this basis of repertory, which we already studied. And the main and important demerit is that so there are list of merit is more, it's still difficult and laborious way of study of homeopathic materia medica. And to overcome this difficulties of this type of method of study of homeopathic materia medica, newer method is introduced, that is computer method of study of materia medica, that we will